I'm going to show you in this video how to remove something from your image. So if you click on this remove tool, and also press J on your keyboard, and if you right click, make sure you select remove tool. Right, remove tool. You click here and then select remove tool. Now you can select the size. You select size. Now this is what you have to do. Okay, size. Now press Alt and press hold Alt to zoom in. And me don't like this rock. Now remove. Now no more rock. Hold Control and left right click to remove from here. Hold Alt. We don't like rock, no rock here now. Now rock not good. Okay, no rock now. You don't like this rock? No, this rock not more here. Okay, no rock here. Very good remove tool. Okay, thank you.